So today's the day that we're working on the bigger stuff with the garage. We cut a good chunk of the center of it out because it cracked and was like that and was like that far above grade, you know, out here. Filled it in with concrete. Now we are going to jack up the garage because look at this. Yeah, jack it up, fix the bottoms, put stuff under there so we can get ready to pour concrete. And hold on. So this is what it looks like on the outside. It's just god awful. We have so many repairs to do, but I wanted to show you. Oh look, you can see sunlight underneath. But yeah, it sank so much over the years. I mean, the house was built in 1920 something, 28, I think, and obviously nothing was done. But take a look at this wall. Okay, so here's the front. See the nice little bow right there? Yeah, we're gonna fix that too. And this is the outside. Better, 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 and no bow.